Let me enter into the understanding of Bollinger Bands and what are these things and क्या होता क्या है और कभी बना, ये क्यों बना. So Bollinger Bands actually is invented by John Bollinger around in 1980s. And सोचो उस टाइम पे तो कंप्यूटर भी नहीं था. Still he invented that and widely known now. Everyone is aware about this technique. But I'm going to tell you, before you apply an indicator, you need to understand how it is formulated. ऐसा जरूरी है क्या? बिल्कुल है. क्योंकि देखो, अगर आप फरारी ड्राइव करना चाहते हो, can I say that your driving experience, whether you're driving a Ferrari, when you're driving a Ferrari, the driving experience is very very high if you know यार बना कैसे है. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आपको हर एक चीज पता होनी चाहिए उसके बारे में, बट अगर आपको पता है कि इसका इंजन में क्या चीज है, कैसे बना है, ये थोड़े स्टैटिस्टिक्स, थोड़े वेरिएंट, थोड़ी प्रॉपर्टीज अगर आपको पता है, तो चलाने का मजा कुछ और लेवल पे होता है. सिमिलरली ओवर हियर, if you know how is this indicator of Bollinger Bands is being made, if you know that, then applying that technique will take you to the next level. And one more thing, friends, you have to differentiate yourself from 90% of the people who are already doing it. One of the ways of differentiating it is understanding the indicator in depth. तो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि यार इंडिकेटर को थोड़ा डेप्थ में समझे और इसके साथ में फिर अप्लाई करें, तो आप अपने आप को बाकी लोगों से काफी अलग कर पाएंगे. So now, why the need of this indicator is what I'll tell you. When we looking at the prices, we want to know if prices have deviated too much, too far away from its mean level. Mean होता है average. Try and understand one thing. Everything drills down to the average. Average is very important. When you are in school, you might try and see your performance on an average basis over the period of 10 years. How did you perform? You will come down to that mean unless and until you try to do something differently. Similarly, in markets, there is a tendency of prices to move around that mean level, जिसे हम कहते हैं moving average. And इस mean level के आसपास prices move होता है, and then it deviates from that mean level either on the upside or either on the downside. This deviation from the mean is what we try to measure using Bollinger Bands.